The sun is shining outside the window. Let's slowly open the door to the future together. Hi, my name is Kelly. In this episode, let's discuss which industry is growing the fastest after the COVID-19 pandemic. Did you guess it? The industry is 3D printing. Here, I will introduce two representative companies. Number 1, Hubs, formerly known as 3D Hubs. It's an online manufacturing platform. Customers can access their global network of manufacturing partners on demand. The platform provides a range of manufacturing services, including 3D printing, injection molding, and sheet metal manufacturing services. This platform is very easy to use. You only need to upload the CAD files of your parts online to get real-time quotation, and Hubs will immediately select the best manufacturer in its quality-reviewed global network and start producing your parts. The platform is directly responsible for processing all orders, logistics, and communications, ensuring that your parts arrive on time. The company is based in Amsterdam, the Netherlands, and was founded in 2013. So far, Hubs has 240 cooperative manufacturers around the world, handling more than 6 million prototypes and parts. It has served 35,000 corporate customers, of which 27% are Fortune 500 companies. Since 2017, Hubs has had a compound annual growth rate of more than 200% in revenue. Revenue in 2020 was around $25 million. In January this year, it was acquired by Protolabs of the United States for $280 million. Protolabs was established in 1999 and is headquartered in Maple Plains, Minnesota, the United States. Its market value is more than $3 billion, making it the world's second largest 3D printing listed company by market value. Its revenue in 2020 reached $434 million with a gross profit margin of 50.1%. The company specializes in rapid prototyping and is known for providing the fastest source of customized prototypes and customized production parts. Protolabs claimed that it can produce and assemble the customized parts in just one day. Why did Protolabs acquire Hubs? In addition to complementary advantages, an important purpose of Protolabs acquisition is to acquire professional talents. With the continuous development of the 3D printing industry, the battle for talent will continue to be staged. Now let's discuss the latest research on 3D printing. The Swiss company Blackstone Resources relies on its proprietary 3D printing technology to print lithium-ion solid-state batteries. The company has been investing in next-generation battery technology through its German subsidiary Blackstone Technology GmbH, which has been proven to provide higher energy density, and the cost will be significantly reduced. Why produce solid-state batteries? I'll explain the reason in my blog. In addition to major markets such as automotive industry, marine applications and new 5G wireless networks will benefit from the advantages of 3D printed solid-state batteries. In fact, in March this year, 2021, the Samsung Advanced Research Technology Institute demonstrated the research results of solid-state battery that can be charged and discharged more than 1,000 times and can travel 800 kilometers on a single charge. This research on technology that improves life cycle and safety and reduces the size of the solid-state batteries by half was published in the global scientific journal Nature Energy. To conclude our talk of 3D printing, considering this, according to Statistics report on June 17 this year, 2021, the global market value of 3D printing products and services in 2020 was approximately $12.6 billion. It is estimated that the compound annual growth rate in the next 5 years will be 17%. In addition, the rapid development of new materials and applications will also help 3D printing industry, which can use a variety of materials for a wide range of applications. As more and more companies begin to own their own 3D printers, 3D printing software will grow faster than 3D printing services. For more information about 3D printing, please follow my blog.